Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use live translation on iOS 26 for messages and FaceTime. If you're using an iPhone and you have iOS 26 latest update of version, so let's see how can you easily use live translation on your iOS for messages and FaceTime. So you have to simply open up your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for accessibility option. Just select accessibility option, and from here just scroll down again and you'll get live transcription or live captions option. So you must have to select that option. Here's the live captions, simply tap on it, and here you will get different settings. The first of all, we have live captions. You must have to simply enable that. Once you have enabled, you will get the live caption here. You can easily change the appearance of your live caption by using these simply settings. Or here you have save call captions. For example, if you are having any call, so you can easily get the captions for your calls, and from here you can easily select the language in which you want to get different captions. So for example, as I have enabled live caption, so here you can see then there's a live caption of which I'm saying here it's using microphone, but you can use iPhone audio from here. If you are playing any video, audio or any call, so you will get the caption of that here in the screen. So that's how you can easily use translation on iOS 26 for messages and FaceTime. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.